Welcome to the SeedLinked platform. Thank you for being part of our community. We appreciate your participation. Today I'm covering how to use the Seed Explorer, compare varieties, and create wish lists on the SeedLinked platform. First off, I want to encourage you to check out the SeedLinked apps on the Apple Store or Google Play. The apps allow you to use the platform on your smartphone or tablet while on the go. Alright, let's get started. There are two ways to begin a seed search. Number one, from our home page, and number two, after you log into your account and go to the Explore tab. We recommend logging into your SeedLinked account to do a search, as this will allow you to use all the search filters and save varieties to your wish list. If you don't have an account, you can create one here on our home page. Once you're logged in, you will land on our Explore tab, which is where you search for seeds. Our seed search has many filters that can be helpful to you. Search by market class. For example, you can choose which market class of tomatoes you'd like to search. Search for organic seed. Click this checkbox in the search and it will filter for organic seed. This can be helpful to certified organic growers who are looking to do their organic seed search. Days to maturity. You can use the slider to find a variety that has a days to maturity that is in the range you want. Search for traits. You can pick traits that matter to you and filter the results. Looking for the best tasting tomato? Set flavor to no less than 4 stars. Looking for great yield? Set yield to no less than 4 stars. Search for reviews by hardiness zone. Search for reviews only from your hardiness zone with this filter. Search for disease resistance. Looking for resistance to a specific disease? Use this filter. And we have more filters to explore. Check out the drop-down and filter by overall review, pelleted seed, in-stock seed, treated seed, open pollinated, hybrid, or by distributor. Once you decide the parameters of your search, you can search and view the results. Click on a variety to view more information. On each variety page, you can view specific ratings, sort by hardiness zone, and find in-stock seed from different distributors. Then you can click through to the distributor's website. If you'd like to compare varieties head-to-head, you can use a variety comparison tool. Search for a crop you're interested in and click the Compare checkbox on each variety you're interested in viewing side by side. Once you pick the varieties you'd like to compare, in the lower right, click the Compare button. This takes you to the screen where you finalize what you'd like to compare. Feel free to add another variety. Once finalized, click Compare in the upper right. This takes you to the Variety Comparison page. Here you can select traits that are important to you and view the trait and overall ratings side by side, which can help you find the best variety for your location. When you find seed you're interested in, you can create and save them to a wish list. A wish list lets you save the varieties you are most interested in and then compare them head to head so you can make a decision on which ones you'd like to purchase and grow. Building a wish list is also the first step to reviewing your garden with SeedLinked. If there is a variety you grow and would like to review that is not yet in the SeedLinked database, you can request that it be added using the new variety request form that is found in our Help tab. So that is how you use our Seed Explorer, variety comparison tool, and wish lists. We hope that these tools help you find and purchase the best seed for your location. Be sure to check out our next video on how to create plantings from your wish lists and review the varieties you are growing. Every rating you add to the SeedLinked platform powers our Seed Explorer and helps our collective growing community find the right seed. If you are having any problems with your profile, please reach out to us at help@seedlinked.com. If you have any feedback on how to make the platform better, share your ideas with us at feedback@seedlinked.com.